Bonjour, it's Anne. I just want to give you a quick heads up because I've been asked about it. You know that the Black Friday sale, Cyber Monday week is coming up. It's next week. And there usually is coordinated sale by Etsy. And this year, I couldn't figure out the name of the sale, but I just realized that it's actually, if you haven't set it up yet, it's actually in your dashboard here. You should have this notice, don't miss our biggest sale of the year, with this button here to schedule your sale, okay? So you don't have to do a Black Friday sale. It depends on what you're selling, how your how your customers react to this kind of sale. But if you do want to make one, then that's where you have to go. Your dashboard, then click on schedule your sale. Okay, and then you can make it. So if I click on, I just clicked on the button, and so this is the pop-up that opens, and it has choose a discount. They recommend 20% off, but you can do less than that or more, depending on what you feel is appropriate. You can decide whether you want your sale to be with a minimum order or not. And here you see they say if your goal is to get shoppers to spend more than normal, then consider setting a minimum that's 20 to 50% higher than your average order value, which I'll have to calculate by dividing the amount of money you made over a certain period by the amount of sales, okay? And if you leave it here to known, then you will be able to choose the listings that the sale apply to. And then if you don't, if you choose order total with a minimum or quantity, then the sale will apply to your whole shop, okay? And then I'm not going to do it here, but if you click on apply, then the sale will be set up and Etsy will automatically activate it, and they're running it for a full week, okay? And so that's okay, I'm gonna go back here, from November 26th through to December 3rd. And this way you'll be included in the automated Etsy keywords, which means that they will add some keywords or some filters, I'm not sure exactly how, to indicate that you're participating in the sale. And so if people look for people who participate in the sale, then you'll be included automatically. You won't have anything else to do. Okay, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and join the private Facebook group also if you need more information, if you want to discuss things more in details. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.